Boom! Why do your eyes shut like a vault when you hear a loud noise? It's not magic. It's survival mode. Your brain's like, whoa, danger incoming, and triggers the acoustic startle reflex to protect your precious eyes from flying debris, bright flashes, or, who knows, a T-Rex roar. Here's the crazy part, this reflex kicks in faster than you can say oops, in just 0.025 seconds. Your eyelids are like tiny bodyguards, always on duty. So next time you blink during a loud bang, thank your ancient ancestors for this ninja-level reflex. What's the weirdest sound that's made you flinch? Drop it in the comments. Follow for more facts that make you go,